Hi there, this is Loopy Mabel's Closet. My name's Jane. So today's vlog is all about trouser patterns that I've been looking at, and they've all got elastic in the waist. We all like a bit of comfort when we're wearing our clothes, don't we? And just because they've got elastic in the waist does not mean they can't be stylish too. So I've got a list of 10 that I found and I thought I'd share them with you. So hi and welcome back. So before I continue with my list of 10, Mabel is wearing the Adrienne blouse that I've just recently made using this gorgeous paisley jersey fabric. It's the Adrienne blouse by Friday Pattern Company. Absolutely love this one. This one and the Somerset Tee by Maven Patterns are going to be my top two, I think, extra special long sleeve jersey tops. And from that pattern, I then did my little sleeve hack. This is the Adrienne blouse again, but I've done a little bit of a sleeve hack. And I put this top on this morning and they go so well with my PIETRA pants. And from this outfit, it just inspired me to look at more trouser patterns that have got elastic in the waist, but stylish patterns, let's just say. I think they can fall into two categories with elastic waisted trousers: the jogger type of sweatpant category or the casual smart type of category, and that's the ones I'm going to look at today. I think the joggers and the sweatpants, they're a whole different kettle of fish, and you know, they are super casual and that's what they are. But you can get some really nice trouser patterns that does have elastic in the waistband, which makes them super comfy, but then they are still stylish. So just because they've got elastic in them does not mean to say they're going to be old-fashioned, frumpy, boring or anything like that. And the 10 I've found, I think they're all really nice. Easy to pull on trousers, but quite stylish too. Casual, but you can dress them up as well. And that's what it's all about. That's what I like to do anyway with my trousers. So my PIETRA pants, I'll stand up and show you if you haven't seen them before. I am going to talk about them in a minute, but this top I made goes really nice with the green corduroy I chose for these PIETRA pants. Now I made these earlier on in the year in a baby fine needle cord in this lovely green, and they're super comfy, and they've got the elastic waistband at the back. And I'll pop some pictures up of me wearing them in the garden so you can see. And they're just a great pattern, just to, you know, easy to pull on. And all these patterns that I'm talking about today are also brilliant for beginner sewing. So if you're looking for sewing patterns for trousers and you don't want to go down the zips and the buttons and the flies and all those technical things that sometimes you find in trousers, these are perfect for you if you want to get yourself into making trousers. Boost your confidence, definitely. Once you've made these, they'll definitely boost your confidence, and then go on to try the trousers with more technical aspects to it. So as I say, these are my PIETRA pants, and they are by Closet Core Patterns. Used to be Closet Case Patterns. If you didn't know that, they have just recently changed the name. And obviously I'm going to pop pictures up as I'm talking about the patterns and the details where possible, and I will also link every pattern in the description box below, and then you can click on those links if you fancy taking a look at those patterns for yourself. So I'm just going to refer to my iPad just to refresh me. So the first one, as I say, I've got 10 on the list. So the first one obviously is the PIETRA pants by Closet Core Patterns. Now I've made both the tapered leg, which is what I'm wearing now, and I've also made the wide leg pants as well. Two styles, as I say. You've got the tapered leg and then you've got the wide leg, and also with this pattern comes the shorts option as well. So you've got 3 options in this pattern, and they're just a great stylish pant to pull on. And they've got a lovely pocket, deep pocket detail at the front. And as you can see, there's the wide leg pant option. The model's got on there, and then the tapered leg option too. So fabric suggestions for this pattern: light to medium weight woven fabric, so chambray, corduroy, lightweight denim, linen or twill. If you want something a little bit more glam looking for maybe for an evening time, maybe choose something which is a little bit more draped to it. such as rayon challis, a tencel or a silk. So depending on the fabric you choose, it gives you a different look. But I think it's a really nice, super simple pattern. Then moving on to Anna Allen clothing, the Pomona pants is the pattern I've chosen from there, and this is going to be a pair that I am actually going to have a go at making myself. There's 3 off this list that I'm going to be working on, and obviously I'll do separate vlogs for those as I've done them. And I've just printed off the instructions just so you can see the line drawing picture there. And you've got the wide leg or the tapered leg, and obviously you've got the short option too. And when I was printing off the instructions, the pattern is super simple, so excellent for beginner sewers. That's all you get, the front and the back, and a little patch pocket as well if you want to add that to the back. The waistband is obviously built in, so you literally sew the front and the back, the legs and the crotch and what have you, and then you just fold over the top to form your casing, and then obviously you just thread your elastic through, and that is how easy is that. But again, this still looks super stylish. And the sizes, a good range of sizes as well. Let me just find the size. And they start from a 00 up to 22, which is a 24-inch waist all the way up to a 41-inch waist. So really good size selection there. I think I'm going to go for the tapered style on this one. But obviously I will do a little vlog to show you what I've made. Probably going to use some linen. So moving on to number 3 is by ELBE Textiles, and these are the Freemantle pants, and again these have got view A, B and C, and I think it's the leg length, so you've got your cropped, you've got your 7/8 leg, and then you've also got your full length leg. And this pattern is recommended for advanced beginners and above. Again, they're all very similar looking. They've all got the elasticated waistband. Some have got elastic waisted casing all the way around the trouser, and some have got the section at the front which is flat. Some will come with pockets, obviously some don't, but they're all again super easy pull on pants, comfortable, but they've still got that little bit of style to them, which is what I like. And I think these look lovely, and these have like a drawstring threaded through as well, like a fabric drawstring threaded through these. So that is the Freemantle pants by ELBE Textiles. Then moving on to named clothing, which is the Alexandria peg pants. Now these have got pleats at the front, and again they've got like the drawstring pulled all the way through, and they've got the lovely side pockets. And this pattern also comes with the shorts as well, option for the shorts. And again, recommended fabric, light to medium weight woven fabric or knit fabric as well. So you could do them in like a crepe, a satin or other trouser fabric with drape, or you could go for something a little bit more sporty and go for a jersey knit type of sweatshirt fabric for that sporty, more jogger look. So depending on what you're looking for. But again, in my opinion, I would go for the more casual, smart look rather than the jogger look. But again, it's purely what you're looking for. But again, a nice silhouette, quite like the way the legs are tapered in on this one. And I've never tried any of ELBE Textiles before, so when I saw these, I thought, oh, maybe something to maybe try later down the line. So that's the Alexandria peg trouser or pant by Named Clothing. And then moving on to Paper Theory. So we've got the Miller pant or trouser. Again, full elastic casing on the waistband, and a great pattern. They've got the models there, all different shapes and sizes, and it just looks great on all those models. And this pattern comes with the option of elasticated waist or the tie waist, so you've got the options there, and they're designed to sit high on your natural waist just above your tummy button. And it's got the pleats in the front, and it's got deep side pockets at the side, and there's a couple of darts in the back for extra shaping as well. And again, the leg tapers in towards the ankle, and you've got the option for full length or roll them up for that cuffed look. Quite like the look of them. Quite like the tie detail on that as well. So that's the Miller pant by Paper Theory. Then moving on to paper cut patterns, which is another one that I'm going to have a go at making. There is the instructions for them. The Palisade pants. I liked the pocket detail on this. That's what drew me to this one. A nice tapered leg pull-on pants, goes from sizes extra small up to extra large. And it also comes with the shorts option again. Quite a lot of them come with the shorts. And I just like that crossover detail for the pockets at the side there. See, just at the side there. And recommended mid-weight woven fabric, so anything really, cotton, linen, silk, chambray, lightweight denim, anything like that. And the sizes for the waist start at 24.5-inch waist up to 36.25-inch waist. So I'll just show you the picture of the pocket at the side detail, how it like crosses over. I think that's a really pretty option. I just think it's a really nice style. And it's got the front part of the waistband, it's just got a flat section, so the elastic doesn't go all the way around on this particular design. And I just like that pocket detail on them. So I thought, right, I'm going to try them. So it's the POMONA pants and the Palisade pants on my list of trouser patterns to try. And then moving on to Sew House 7. And we've got the free range slacks, which again, a lovely pattern. Again, elasticated, full elasticated waist. And you've got the straight leg option or the tapered leg option. And again, on the tapered leg, you can roll them up and get that cuffed effect. And they've got lovely deep pockets with top stitching on the front and option with the patch pocket on the back. So yeah, again, another great pattern by Sew House 7. And that is the free range slacks. And I quite like the look of them too. I like that top stitching detail on the pocket. Then Sew Liberated. Now I do like the Sew Liberated patterns. I've done the Hinterland dress and I've got a couple more of her patterns. Now this is the ARENITE pants. And again, you've got 3 different looks for the hem on these trousers. So you've got the plain hem, you've got the cuffed hem, and you've also got the elastic hem. So depending on what style you're looking for, and obviously they're all gonna look completely different depending on what fabric you go for as well. And she's got a good size range. She goes from size 0 to size 24, and she also has instructions on how to do the flat fell seam and the French seams in this pattern. Suitable for advanced beginners, so perfect for those new to sewing trousers. Quite like those as well. I like the pockets on those, nice deep relaxed pockets. I just love the look on that, really casual but smart casual. So that's the ARENITE pants by Sew Liberated. And then you've got the Sewing Revival, which is the PUKEKO pants. Now after I'd printed these off, because this is going to be my third pair that I was going to sew, to show you the picture. And they remind me a little bit like a cigarette pant. And this is by the Sewing Revival. And I've never done any of those patterns before, so I thought I'd give them a go. But then when I looked at the instructions, there's no elastic in the waist. These are a pull-on pant using stretch woven fabric, so there isn't actually elastic waistbands. So these have snuck in really, but I'm sure you forgive me. But I'm going to give them a try anyway. I've got some nice stretch bengaline that I've had for quite a while, so I'm going to make them in that, and I'll let you know how easy these are. So literally pull these ones on. There's no elastic. You're using the stretch of the fabric to get them on and off. So let's just see how they work. But I've never done anything by the Sewing Revival, and they look quite nice, look quite smart. So you've got the 2 leg length, you've got the full leg length, or you've got the 7/8. And I just like the look of these. They do remind me of a cigarette pant style. I would say these are probably look the smartest of the 10 that I've chosen. You definitely wear these for like going to work and business and what have you. A really nice smart pull-on pant. So not strictly elasticated waist, but they're a pull-on pant, and obviously they're going to be comfortable. Hopefully they are anyway. I shall keep you posted because I'm going to make those ones. So that's the Sewing Revival PUKEKO pant. Moving on to the last one of the 10. I mean, this list is not exhaustive. I could have continued and found you lots more, but I thought, you know, 10's probably just enough to sit and watch through. So I could always make a vlog too if necessary. And then you've got the Emerson pants by True Bias. Again, these have got the elastic casing running around the back, and they've got the front panel at the front. And again, you've got view A and B, which is the I think it's a higher waisted, and then you can make them into a short. And then you've got view C and D, which is the lower waisted, I think. And again, you can make them into a short. Let me just double check. I think I've got that right. Yeah, so you've got the mid-rise, which sits just at below the natural waist, and then you've got the high rise that just sits over the tummy button. So you've got a choice of how you want your trouser there to sit on you. And again, recommends a light to medium weight fabric. Yeah, and great size range as well. Goes all the way from size 0 to size 18, which is a 26-inch waist, all the way up to a 38.5-inch waist. So another good size range. They've all the patterns, I think most patterns now have great size ranges. They're very inclusive, size inclusive now, which they should be anyway. Again, this is a fairly easy pattern for beginners to have a go at. This is another great pant to go for because you've got the lovely elastic all the way around the back and a nice flat front panel on the front. So that's a good option if you're trying to reduce a little bit of bulk on the tummy area. And yeah, so that's the Emerson pant by True Bias. So yeah, all of them, all 10, really nice, smart, casual pant, pull-on elasticated waist pants. So they're all going to be super comfy, which is what we want. But they're not losing any of the style. So just because they've got elastic in them, like I said before, does not mean they're going to be frumpy and old-fashioned and boring, because they're not. And as I say, all the links to all the patterns will be in the box below. I'm certainly going to have a go at those 3, and obviously I'll do a vlog to let you know how I get on with them and my review of them as well, and what fabrics I haven't decided what fabrics I'm going to use yet, apart from the stretch bengaline for the PUKEKO pants. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope I've inspired you, maybe enlightened you into some new pattern companies and some new patterns. All great for beginner sewing. Lovely, comfortable, stylish trousers, but that incorporate some elastic in the waistband. Super comfortable, and that's what it's all about, isn't it? There's no reason why you can't be comfy and be stylish at the same time. So hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, thumbs up would be really good, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and then you can follow along with everything that I do bring out. I have got lots more sewing coming your way, as I say every single time, but it's true. And until the next time though, thanks for joining me, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.